You know, as a parent or an educator, you absolutely want to prepare the next generation for the real world, right? We all want to give them every possible advantage, but there's this massive gap in how we actually talk to kids about money, business, and investing.
I mean, think about it for a second. Why do most adults struggle with money, but expect their kids to just, I don't know, figure it out someday? It's kind of a jarring thought. We all know the anxiety of debt, yet we literally drop them into the deep end of the economy at 18 and just hope they know how to swim.
The reality is, money is one of life's most important skills, yet it's almost never taught in schools. Kids spend a decade learning algebra, but somehow never learn what a budget is. So what happens? They grow up confused, or worse, they grow up fearing money.
But the solution is actually surprisingly simple. In this explainer, we're looking at a real game changer called the financial alphabet for kids. It's a playful bridge to financial literacy designed specifically for curious kids. It takes those big, intimidating financial ideas and just breaks them down into fun, simple A to Z learning moments.
So why does it work? Well, it focuses on 3 core pillars. First, simplifying money vocabulary. Second, building real-world life skills like earning and saving. And third, ultimately building wealth and confidence. You aren't just teaching them new words here, you're literally giving them a head start on lifelong smart money habits.
Let's take a look at how this works in practice to make big ideas kid-friendly. Take A is for assets. If you try to explain an asset using dry accounting terms, an 8-year-old is going to tune out instantly. But if you tell them it's something they own that holds value, like their favorite toy, boom, instant comprehension.
And it scales up beautifully too. Take I for invest, planting your money like seeds to make it grow. By planting the seeds of financial growth early, you're visually sparking their imagination. You're showing them that money isn't just for spending, it's actually something that grows when you take care of it.
All of this creates what we call the lifelong learning loop, because this isn't just a book you read once and put on a shelf. It's about future-proofing your kids. It's about building a rock-solid foundation where they aren't intimidated by the economy, but instead they realize they're an active participant in it.
It basically gives you a simple roadmap. Step 1, you learn the money words A to Z. Step 2, you apply them to make smart choices in real life, like, say, at the grocery store. And step 3, over time, that repetition helps them grow confident. You completely replace money anxiety with pure natural curiosity.
So why wait to teach something this absolutely crucial? Get your copy today on Amazon and help your child build a brighter future.
And while you're thinking about the future, explore Avalinks, your free local and global business directory connecting businesses, ideas, partnerships, services, and opportunities. Visit www.avalinks.app because I want to leave you with this final, incredibly important thought. If we don't teach our kids how money works, who will?